So there's a lot of ways to build a website out there, but this one has to be the simplest. You go from short prompts to fully built and hosted websites in around a minute, maybe 2. And let me tell you, I tried so many of these tools that claim to do this, but this one just works. And when I see that, I love to share those on the channel. So we'll get right into this 3-step process, but before we do that, I just want to point out that 10web did reach out to sponsor this video. And after trying this was a really easy tool. So let me show you the 3-step process. And in this case, we'll be building something that I myself have procrastinated for way too long. A personal website for myself. In this day and age, everybody should have one. So let's get into building a native WordPress site here for me. And you can do the same for yourself or any one of your projects. Step 1, I briefly describe what I plan to do here. I'll give it my name, Igor Pogani, and then continue by saying what I do. Click generate and let the website builder figure out what I need here. So while this generates, which should only take a few seconds, I want to highlight that, yeah, you could do this with other AI tools, but you'll probably get a result that is like maybe 70% of the way there. This differs. And this screen right here shows you why, because it starts with a website structure rather than just giving you the full thing. So I could go in here and remove some things like resources and success stories. Matter of fact, for my simple website here, I don't even need any of these subpages. All I want here in the end is a contact form. I can just add that as so, and we're ready to go. I have the structure I need here. And that's it for the setup part. Now the builder is gonna do its magic, set up a brand new WordPress website, and we're ready to move to phase 2, all on the free plan here. And there is my first draft with the structure that I agreed on. And now you have the opportunity to edit this. So on my company website in the About section, I already have some details about me and my story. So I'll just throw all that in here. All right, and it updated it. So here's a few features that actually stood out to me. So first of all, you have this select to edit feature. So rather than describing it, you can just click a button, delete that. If I want to add a functionality to this button, well, I can do the same thing. And if you ever make some changes and want to just go back a step, it's really simple. You just go to one of the previews or you go into the version history. And this is so important when you're using AI tools to create stuff. It makes experimenting really easy. For a history like this, there's no risk to doing that. Okay, so let's say I like the content, but I disagree with the style. I can just say that. Make the design more minimalistic with a brutalist style. This is something I would prefer for my website. Might differ for you, of course.
A few moments later.
Okay, that looks so much better. So let's say we edit things and go back. Let's say we like what we see here, and I could always keep iterating, but I just want to have this online already. All I need to do for that is click publish. Yeah, that's it. It's live. I could get a free custom domain or connect one that I already have, or just use the one that it gives me. To get a free domain, I do need a paid plan though. Everything else up until now is free. And just as a side note, this does include hosting, SSL, CDN, and backups. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. You need those things and it's all included. And then as I mentioned, this is a WordPress website, which is like the industry standard for blogging websites. And that means you can also access this through your WordPress dashboard. If I just click this button, you can see that there's some blog posts here already, and I could do anything else like adding media or new pages that are all editable with this builder. Oh, and if you really want to go in and make some edits, they give you the code editor, which is something many of these sites don't do. You can fully customize everything. Oh, one more thing that's actually really important. If you want to add more visuals and images to the site, you just need to click one of these images and you can upload anything from your machine and voila, that's how you add your own media. Quick side note is that as this is all built on WordPress, it gets added to the WordPress media gallery in the backend. So you can reuse these images at any point in time in the future. After playing around a little bit, this is what I got the homepage to look like, and all of that in minutes. Also, 10web has launched a white label reseller dashboard for MSPs, agencies, and service companies. So basically, if you need a fully white labeled WordPress website builder and hosting platform, and you want a turnkey solution that works under your own brand, 10web does that too now. So if you're looking for a A to Z solution where you get a website hosting on WordPress, which is ideal for SEO, with a content management system and a domain and an AI editing interface that makes it really easy to implement your vision all in one package, then you should try 10web for yourself. And you'll find the website builder from the link in the video's description. And that's really it. Hope this was useful to you, and I will see you very soon.